a diary and a pen. There's a diary and a pen. Then we have
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Vaishnavi Srivastava. I know I had been away for a long time and I miss being here. I miss talking to you all. Really, I miss doing that. And, there is a lot that was going in the background. Even now, things are going on. I'm gradually settling in. But yeah, so here's a quick life update. So also since few weeks I was not keeping well, and from the title itself you know now that I have got my joining after MBA. In the past few weeks as well, a lot of you asked me about that. So yeah, I have joined my job now, and the joining came, then preparations, traveling, coming here, and 2-3 days before my travel date, I got a very bad viral as well. So I told my parents that I can travel, but travel alone. But then they were like, you're not well, so we'll not let you go alone. And then my father came along. So a lot of things happened at the time of traveling as well. Finally, after coming here, it's been like 10-12 days since I have joined my job, and currently I am staying in the company provided accommodation. So in these days I had to look for my accommodation as well, as in that I'll be shifting to. So yes, a lot had been happening, and this is like a fast forward update that I am giving you. We'll keep on talking, we'll keep on sharing things in detail. So yeah, this is a place where I did my MBA internship last year. So I'm really happy and excited to be back to the same place, a place where it all began. And I have got a welcome kit on the first day of my joining. So I would also like to uh, share that with you, show that to you. So this is a box of opening doors to a lot of opportunities, future opportunities. So I'll show you what's inside. There's a card, then there's a diary and a pen. There's a diary and a pen. Then we have a keychain. Then there's this cup inside. I'll show this to you. So here's a cup, a cute cup. And then we have a bottle. Bottle. So yes, and then I've also got like laptop, headphones, and t-shirts as well. I think it has gone for laundry, so I cannot show that to you right now. Yeah, this is a thing, and this is a little update of what is happening right now. And I'll be moving out in around 2 days from this accommodation to the place that I have booked. And I'm thinking of recording a small vlog, like a packing, shifting vlog, and also we'll be chit chatting and sharing things. So yes, stay tuned. We'll keep on sharing knowledge, sharing experiences. You ask me your queries, your doubts, your questions. I'm always there to help you. So we will be there for each other. And yes, I think this journey is going to help a lot of people who want to do MBA, or who are doing MBA, or who have also completed their MBA. I think a lot of you will find it to be relatable or informative as well, like the videos that I'll be sharing. And maybe few of you would get some help from me in finally deciding their future, their career, as in if they want to do an MBA or not, and what if not, if yes, then how can we proceed. So a lot of things that we'll be sharing together. So stay tuned and like, share and subscribe to Vaishnavi Chatbox if you're new to the channel. We'll meet next time. Till then, bye bye.